Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a new type of paper airplane. It's called a glider.
From A4 paper. You can find how to make other paper airplanes on my channel. Subscribe if you want to see new paper airplanes every week. At the end of the video, I will show you how far it flies. And for today's glider, you will need an A4 sheet and to follow the instructions precisely. I won't explain in detail how to make it. It's very simple, even a beginner can handle it, so just watch what I do and repeat. I wish you good luck.
Here is our paper airplane ready. Now I will show you how it flies.